The continuity equation. Interactive calculator solves for various flow parameters in fluid systems using the principle of conservation of mass. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Solve for outlet velocity V2, solve for outlet area A2, solve for outlet diameter D2, solve for inlet velocity V1, solve for volumetric flow rate Q, and solve for mass flow rate M. For this demonstration, I've selected solve for outlet velocity V2. Next, we enter values in 8 input fields. Inlet velocity V1, inlet area A1, inlet diameter D1, outlet velocity V2, outlet area A2, outlet diameter D2, fluid density R, and volumetric flow rate Q. For our example, I've entered 10 for all input fields to demonstrate the calculation. After clicking Calculate, the results show an outlet velocity V2 of 10,000 meters per second, which matches our input since we're solving for outlet velocity. The volumetric flow rate Q is calculated as 785.398163 cubic meters per second, or 785,398.163 liters per second. The calculator also provides the inlet area A1 as 78.539816 square meters and outlet area A2 as 78.539816 square meters. This calculator streamlines continuity equation calculations for pipe flow analysis. Find the link in the description below.